welcome back to my channel. So I am aware that you all did not see me use the oils in this video. However, when I wash and detangle my hair, I do use my oils and put my leave-in conditioner in all at the same time. So I apologize for you not seeing that. But first I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. So this video is going to be pretty simple. I'm going to brush that out, and I'm going to take that Xtreme gel, and I'm just going to run my fingers straight through it. Nothing else. That's it. Your curls take whatever form that they want to take, so I'm not going to take a comb or a brush or brush them out or anything. I'm just simply going to do that with my fingers. And because you didn't see me put the oils or anything, that's all I will be using in this video is the Wetline Xtreme gel. So I'm just going to continue to do that. And I'll be back if I have anything else to tell you all. So to make it easier on myself, I go ahead and I section out that middle part. Well, not my middle part, I'm sorry. I section out my front part because that is going to be a half up, half down style. I'm going to section out my ponytail part first before I continue to do the rest of my hair, just to make it a little bit easier. Y'all definitely have to forgive me for all the faces that I made in this video. I was watching Transformation Church. I don't know if you all know who that is, but y'all should check it out. Pastor Michael Todd and all the other incredible pastors there. Y'all, I love it so much. But yeah, I was watching it. And amen and praise it while I do my hair. But if you haven't noticed, it's easier for me to do my hair in a U-shape form up until my part, if it makes sense. But yeah, I feel like I work faster that way than for me to try to do miniature sections throughout my hair. I just work faster that way. So for the top of my hair, I'm just going to spray that with some water, and I'm going to work that into my hair because my hair loses moisture so fast. So I'm just going to take some more of that Wetline Xtreme gel. I'm going to work that in around my edges. And of course the brush I got from my grandmother that I don't know where it comes from. I was going to use that to brush my edges up. By the way, the scar on my forehead comes from my silk scarf. When doing this style, please do not tie your scarf extremely tight around your head. I want to upload the next video to be like how I stretch my hair with this style, because I know a lot of people wonder, like, does it make my hair hard and etc. But all of those questions will be answered in my next video. So I'm pretty much going to do the same thing with this ponytail. I'm going to pull my edges out so I can do those, and I'm going to literally follow the same routine for my ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. I just want to say thank you all for coming back to watch. Thank you if you are new to watching, and I hope you come back. Like, comment, subscribe, leave any constructive criticism, video suggestions. I'd appreciate you guys' feedback. Thank you.
We went from 2 a.m. calls to zero communication. Yeah.